house! Let's roll!
I am going to huff, and I am going to puff, and I am going to blow this brick house down!
Hey, Wolf! We're the Super Readers, and we want to talk to you. Why are you not being nice?
Because I am the big bad wolf. That's why. See? It says so right there in my story. There once was a big bad wolf.
We can't talk to the wolf if he's big and bad. But what can we do?
Super Wide to the rescue! With the power to read, I can change this story and save the day. Let's change the word big in this sentence. Let's zap it. Ready, set, zap! Why, Ryder? Right. Super Readers, which word is the opposite of big? Is it small, red, or good?
Small.
Which is the word small? I think it has the all in it.
That one.
Let's zap it into our sentence. Ready, set, zap! Let's read our new sentence and see what happens. There once was a small, bad wolf.
Uh-oh, I'm small. Small, bad wolf. I want to huff and puff and blow everything down. Small, bad wolf.
Uh-oh, we made the wolf small, but he's still acting bad. We need to change the word bad. Let's zap it. Ready, set, zap! Super Readers, what is the opposite of bad? Is it red, good, or small?
Good.
Good. Which one is the word good? I think it starts with the letter G.
That one.
Let's zap it into our sentence. Ready, set, zap! Now we read. There once was a small, good wolf.
Why, hello, Super Readers. I am the small, good wolf. Welcome to our book. How do you do?
Superb job, Super Readers. We changed the story. And now we can talk to the wolf. Small, good wolf, why are you not being nice?
I don't know. I don't know. Thank you. I blow. Oh, because I don't ever have anyone to play with. Oh, that makes me so sad.
Well, I'll play with you, Wolf.
Really?
Tag, you're it.
Whoa.
You can't catch me.
No, I got you. Okay, I got you. Okay.
Oh, no, you
Oh,
can't.
you are fast. I've never played with anyone before. This is fun.
It sure is, small good wolf.
Watch more of your favorite shows, only on PBS Kids. And you can watch it anytime at pbskids.org.